Hi Andrew, hi Peter. As per my discussion with Andrew just now, I've made a few adjustments. The gutter is now coming through all the way to the fence line so that we can pipe that directly into the existing stormwater tank. The post is shown here, which we will install, as well as that beam running all the way through. The structure is now squared up, with the ridge beam being in dead center of the structure, not offset as it once was. Obviously, now that we've done that, we no longer line up with the shed ridge, and we will be at different levels. As a result, flashing between the shed roof here and the proposed patio will be a little bit trickier, meaning we'll have to do some sort of tapered flashing that runs off this roof of the patio onto the shed roof here, and likewise on the opposite side we will need to tapered flashing from here, trying to tuck up under this weatherboard or barge fascia board to seal between the shed and the patio. The rear beam is going to get fixed to the top plate of the shed with our ridge beam king post running all the way through. This central beam and king post and ridge is dead center to the structure, so 4.5 meters from the rear, with the front being moved out to its outermost extremity, which was 1200 mil from this post. We can't go any further than that, which is pretty good because we finished just inside the end of the sheet, which we will need anyway in order to fix the privacy twin wall and fit our end barge flashings on. So that covers just about everything that I think we were concerned about. As you can see from sort of this height, which we should have the privacy that you are after, Andrew, and as we can't do anything further than what we've got there. The footing on this last post we will reduce to the minimum engineering possible, and then I will just confirm that that's still within the restrictions of distance from the existing stormwater drain. Hope that meets everyone's requirements and clear up a few concerns. But if you still want to go through everything tomorrow, I'm happy to see you both at 10:30. Thank you, and I'll speak to you soon.